Hey guys, on this episode we will install a shift knob, and the shift knob that we have here is a Razzo shift knob, and we did not went with the ERD one because as you can see this one has a silver part on it which matches our interior trims. So right here we still have the box of it, so let's check it for the specification. It says it is rated at 270 grams and we have two types of sitting position. We have high and low. It is made of real leather and it is also applicable to G-type automatic. So that's it for the box, and here are the accessories that it came with. We have two inserts right here, but it came with three inserts. I already installed the other one right there that matches our Toyota. And this blue right here, it is used when you want to sit the shift knob in a higher position. So right here we still have the instruction manual where you can find the seating position measurements and also the applicability right here. So the model of this is RA123. Right here I have a weighing scale, so let's check the actual weight of it. So we have 00 right there, and our reading is 268.3, so we're lacking 1.7 grams, but it's almost there. So let's go guys, and let's install it on the car. Alright guys, for removing this top shift knob, you just have to turn it clockwise. So right there. As you can see, the stock shift knob is pretty worn out. The chrome part at the top is almost completely gone. And before we'll install the Razzo shift knob, I have here a couple of spacers. Here they are. They are made of rubber, and this came from an old computer mouse. So right here, so as you can see, it has a wheel right here and it is made of rubber. So what I did, I just took off it, and this will serve as our spacer to fill in the gaps between the shift knob and the shift boot. So let's install it. So right there, it is already installed guys, and as you can see, the silver part right here matches our silver trims on our dashboard. Alright guys, aside from the matching color to our dashboard, in terms of the grip, I would say it is a huge upgrade. As you can see, it feels like a controller. So that will be all on this episode. Thank you for watching and see you next time.